But lucky for me, they cut it. I didn't even know they had to cut it, and until like literally they called me like a few days. And they're like, "Oh yeah, we cut that one too." So, anyways, I've been praying this one up the charts and thanking Capitol and everybody at radio for playing it. So, I don't have a wind fan or anything, but my production is really bad. So, but if you want to sing with me, I would really love that. You can join in. So, this is how I play it. Thought you'd change the weather, start a little storm, make a little rain. But I'm gonna do one better, hide the sun until you pray. I'm a tornado, looking for a soul to take. You're gonna see me coming by the selfish things that you did. And I'm gonna leave you guessing how this funnel is gonna hit. I'm a tornado, looking for a man to break. Hey, I'm gonna rent this house, spin it all around, toss it in the air and put it in the ground. Make sure you're never found. Thought you'd take a swing, try another girl, try another night. But it's the pain that brings my force of nature back to life. I'm a tornado, more disturbed than an L5. Hey, I'm gonna rent this house, spin it all around, toss it in the air and put it in the ground. Hey, I'm gonna rent this house, spin it all around, toss it in the air and put it in the ground. Make sure you're never found. Oh yeah. Ooh, Hey, I'm gonna rent this house, spin it all around, toss it in the air and put it in the ground. Hey, I'm gonna rent this house, spin it all around, toss it in the air and put it in the ground. Make sure you're never found. The winds are getting darker and the sky is falling through. And you ain't got much longer till the rain drips off the roof. I'm a tornado,